Yeah, Jamaican Loin, and I'm still sipping. Yeah, I'm always up and down the road, sipping Grey Goose. I ain't never falling off. I be sipping every day. I wake up in the morning with a cup in my hand, sipping on the purple mud. I ain't gonna tell you what it is. You know I'm sipping, feeling so good. I know I feel so good. I would give you some of the good stuff. You can't sip it like me. You got your eyes down low like a fat man. Always eat banana clips. Yeah, I know. I ain't never falling off. Cause one day you didn't know, but now I'm hot. I ain't even see you. I know I'm a jack boy. I'm jacking you like you think you're jacking me. You see me, state to state. I'm trying to get across the country. I ain't never been nowhere. Trying to get everywhere. 100K ain't never garbage me. I need 900K up in my pocket each and every day, so we can ride on 24. Get them 24, man. I'm gonna get them 36s. Yeah, just tell me, can you get enough with me? Eyes blue, mouth hanging like a jackrabbit. Ain't going nowhere. I know you riding big like some big boys do it. Yeah, I ain't worried about the bling bling. No diamonds in my mouth. I don't need a flashy chain. Yeah, I'ma tell you who it is. Jamaican Loin. Yeah, you come to Jamaica, you might find me, but I guarantee you won't. I can see you before you see me. Cause I be sipping each and every day, 24, 365 days in a year. It's your boy Jamaican Loin, the one and only. Still sipping. Cause I be sipping every day, 24s. I sip each and every day. Country black man. Yeah, and I'm out.